Good morning, guys. It's actually the afternoon. Yeah, it's the afternoon. I forgot to vlog this morning, and my hair is a hot freaking mess. I used the like the little Amazon waver that I just bought, and I don't know how to use it right. It looks disastrous. It looks really, really bad, and so does my makeup, and just so does my entire face. So everything up from the neck, well, no, just everything. Not, I was just saying just everything from the neck up, but below the neck isn't looking too good either. But it is the first day of vlogmas, and I decided I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I was gonna say I'm gonna try and do it, but no. We're gonna do the law of attraction. We're gonna put it out to the world, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it. We're gonna upload a video every single day in the month of December. Today, it's going to be a Sephora haul. I have to go home and edit it first, but it's gonna be a Sephora haul. And then I'm also going to upload a, because I vlogged over Thanksgiving, like the Thanksgiving day, for the memes, because I wanted all of the memories of that. Because my mom and I made Thanksgiving dinner. It was my first time ever making Thanksgiving dinner, like making it. I've made like one thing here and there, but like it's my first time making the full dinner. So yeah, I was like, I'm gonna vlog this because this is super fun for me. It may not be fun for you guys, but it was fun for me to watch and to look back on and have those memories. Those frizz of hair. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do today. I don't know whenever, I'm not sure when these videos will be like up, like what time. This Sephora haul is probably gonna be up late. And then I think what I'm gonna do is like whenever I vlog, they'll go up the next day. So like this video will go up tomorrow. I also got new earrings from Kendra Scott. Just got them in. They're super cute. I don't know. I don't think that they look that cute with this outfit, but I just like grabbed them and put them on in the car. I had a doctor's appointment this morning. Well, this afternoon I had a doctor's appointment, and this hair. I had a doctor's appointment this afternoon. We're all over the place today. We're like normal, like usual. Again, I had a doctor's appointment this afternoon. Just like my normal yearly appointment, but I have like this small little mass underneath of my chin, and I told him about it. I thought it was like an enlarged lymph node, but apparently like your lymph nodes are very deep, and you can't actually feel like when they're enlarged unless like you're sick. So apparently it's not an enlarged lymph node. He's like, it's probably just like a fatty tumor. We'll just watch it. And I'm just like, can we get like some tests to confirm that? Just be on the safe side. And he's just like, yeah, we'll watch it. It's probably nothing. Yeah, that really gives me a lot of confidence. I would like to confirm that it's nothing before we just dive right into that diagnosis. Anyway, so I'm at the post office right now. I'm gonna run in, and I have to return some stuff to Pink Lily because I hated it all. I just, if you guys watch my haul, you know, I'm just not a fan of Pink Lily. I'm really not. I feel like you can get the exact same thing, like literally the exact same item from Amazon, same quality and everything, for cheaper. And I'm sorry if you're a diehard Pink Lily fan, but I just don't like it. I really don't. I just don't like it. I have found one item that I liked, and even then, it was the, I showed it in that haul. It was the flannel. It was like the shacket. But even then, that was way, way, way more than what I would have liked to spend. But I had a gift card, and so that's why I was like, okay, it's fine. So now I'm gonna have a freaking gift card whenever I return this. Because they don't do cash, like they don't give you your money back. They put it on a freaking store credit. And I hate that. That is so freaking annoying. That just is another reason why I really do not like Pink Lily. I want my money back. I don't want a store credit. So I told myself I was gonna start eating healthier. Not healthier, but just not eating as much fast food and like takeout and stuff, and like trying to limit myself to once a week max. Guess who got fast food today? Guess. Just guess. On December 1st, the very first day of the month. Me. Yeah. Okay, I just got home. I want to show you guys a couple of things that I got in the mail from Dhgate. I'm super, super excited about these items. I'm really excited. Okay, first thing I got was this Chanel sweater. I got this in a size large. It was the biggest size they have, and I will say that it fits like a medium. So, oh, there's like a little thing. But I will say it fits like a medium, so definitely size up if you want it to be oversized. But super duper cute, and it's really, really, really nice quality. But so freaking cute. I don't think there's anything on the back. No, there's not. Okay. That is the first thing I got. Really, really cute, really good quality. Then I got in, they're very dirty. I literally just opened the package. But I got in these Lululemon leggings. I'm going to try them on in just a second because I have no idea how they're going to fit. I got a size 10 and hopefully they're true to size. We'll see. And then I also got the Dyson Airwrap. Obviously not legit, but amazing. I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to open it and show you guys real quick. Okay, so this literally comes in the Dyson Airwrap packaging. Everything comes packaged really, really nicely, and it comes in like a huge box, so it's definitely not going to get smushed or anything like that. So, really, really like that. This is what it looks like. It literally looks like the real Dyson Airwrap. I am extremely impressed. Also, this one does come with the brush as well as... There's a comb in there somewhere. Here, it also comes with this comb as well. And I know that like the real Dyson one does not come with that, but that's like, you know, something that you buy separately. Anyway, it comes with literally everything that the Dyson Airwrap comes with, all of the attachments. So this one is like the blow dryer, then this is like the like curler, and just it comes with all of it. It's crazy to me. And this is $295 with a coupon. I won't link it down in the description box, just because YouTube has a weird thing with Dhgate links. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, it's going to be linked on my Instagram as well, like in my Instagram stories, as well as my Like to Know It. So, oh, did I leave in the background? So I will link it, I'll put the link to the Like to Know It post in the description box, so that way you guys can just go to Like to Know It, and it will I'll have those links for all the stuff I just showed you guys. But I'm really excited about it. I have not tried it yet. Maybe I'll try it today. I don't know. I'm not sure how it's going to turn out with, well, no, maybe this will be a really good test since it does have like the waves in it, so that way you guys can get like a real representation of like what it would look like if you had like naturally wavy hair. I don't know, we'll try it out, but I'm so freaking excited. I have not tried it out. All I've done is open it and turn it on just to make sure that it worked. But I'm really excited to try it out, and I'm like so floored over the fact that it literally came in a Dyson Airwrap box, and it came like literally perfectly packaged as if it was the real Dyson Airwrap. So I think I'm gonna try it real quick, honestly. Maybe I may try it real quick. Okay, all right, let's do it. You guys talked me into it. Let's do it. Okay, real quickly before I try out that Airwrap, I wanted to show you guys my outfit. So this is what we got. These jeans are from Abercrombie, and they are true to size. I got the 10 long, my Doc Martens, and then both the sweatshirt and the flannel are from American Eagle. And then, like I said, these earrings are from Kendra Scott. Oh my gosh, my skin looks like shit. Okay guys, so I have on the Lululemon leggings, and I'm pretty impressed with them. They are like 20 bucks, and I would definitely honestly purchase them again even if they didn't have the Lululemon logo, just because they are really, really good quality. Like I said, I ordered a size 10, and I feel like they are pretty true to size. I don't own a pair of real Lululemon leggings, so I have absolutely no idea how comparable they are. My future sister-in-law does own several pair though, so I think I'm gonna have her bring over a pair just so I can kind of compare them and like really get down to the nitty-gritty and see if it's like a true dupe or not. So we'll see, but I'm pretty impressed even with them out having a logo. Like even if they didn't have any kind of brand on them, I would still repurchase for 20 bucks. Pretty good. I'm gonna try on the sweater real quick. Guys, this is what the sweater looks like. It is super duper cute. Like I said, I would size up one to get your true size. I apologize, somebody is walking around. You can hear her little pitter patters, but so freaking cute. Okay, this is a lot more difficult than what I had anticipated. I thought this was gonna be a lot easier. I was wrong. I have no idea what I'm doing. So I watched like one tutorial a couple days ago, and I definitely should have watched more because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know. Let me try this again. I don't think that's how it's supposed to look. Maybe, I don't know. I just gotta play around with this a hell of a lot. I don't want to do this one piece over and over again though. Let's try this front piece. Okay. That's kind of it. Not really, but kind of. Okay, this is a lot more difficult than what I anticipated. I don't know what I'm doing, and I definitely need to watch some more tutorials on how to do it, because it's a lot more difficult. So, this is what we're left with, which is not that different from where we started, but I will say it gave me a lot more volume than normal, so I definitely like that. Like I said though, I need to watch some tutorials because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know how to hold it in order to make it look the way I want it to look, but it did give me a lot of volume, and I do feel like it looks shinier. Sorry if you can hear the office in the background, but I do feel like it made it look shinier, and I don't hate the way it looks right now. Like, it doesn't look terrible, but definitely it did not take out the waves as I thought it would. So I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I'm gonna watch some tutorials. Okay guys, I am back. I cleaned our room because for some reason it just literally gets messy like every single day, no matter what. It's just always a mess, and so I literally have to clean it every other day. It's insane. Okay, so now I am posting the Sephora haul. I am working on that now. I just got it edited and it is now uploading, and then I'm going to start with the Thanksgiving vlog, and I am just watching Kelly's life on YouTube. So I'm watching that right now while I edit, and yeah, that is what we have going on. That's what we have going on right now. We got little Tinsley here. She has been a mama's girl for literally the last week and a half. She has not left my side, and I'm loving it. Okay, it took me absolutely forever to post that video. I don't understand what the heck is going on with our Wi-Fi, but it is taking forever to do literally anything. Like, even messing around on my phone, it's taking forever. I don't have actually any cell phone service here at my parents' house, and so I'm literally just on Wi-Fi, and they don't have the best Wi-Fi here anyway, because we do live out in the country, and so you're only offered one Wi-Fi, one internet provider. There's only one internet provider that will provide internet out here, and so it's not the best anyway, but holy moly, it is not wanting to do anything tonight. And it's normally literally there's 6 people on it and it's fine. There's literally only 3 people on it right now, and it's not wanting to do anything for me. So freaking annoying. But I have been watching a bunch of videos of the Dyson Airwrap, and I think I might like have it down now. I was definitely not doing it right at all. So I'm gonna try it again tomorrow and we'll see. I'm very excited now that I know how you're supposed to do it.